In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Zapier. This powerful integration can help you streamline your project management tasks, automate workflows, and essentially save you a lot of time. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right into the process. First things first, make sure you have your Asana account ready and you're logged into Zapier. To start, open your browser and go to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, look for the App Connections section. This is where you will set up all the integrations you need. Clicking on that will take you to a new page that displays all your existing app connections. Next, we need to connect Asana to Zapier. Use the search function to find Asana. It should come up quite quickly since it is a popular tool. Once you see it in the results, click on Asana to initiate the connection process. Now that you're on the Asana page within Zapier, look for the option that says Add Connection. This is where the fun begins. Clicking this button will allow you to connect your Asana account to Zapier. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log in to your Asana account. Enter your Asana credentials, and don't forget to authorize Zapier to access your account. This is crucial because without that access, you won't be able to enjoy the benefits of this integration. Once you've successfully logged in, you can move on to the next step. Zapier will usually prompt you to confirm that you want to add your Asana account. Go ahead and click Continue. If everything has gone well, you should see a message confirming that your Asana account is connected. At this point, you are halfway through the setup. You'll want to create a Zap, which is Zapier's term for an automated workflow. Start by naming your Zap and selecting the trigger app. Since we've just connected Asana, you can choose it from the list of apps. Once you've set your trigger, the next step is to define what action you want to happen in Asana. This could be creating a task, updating a project, or something else entirely. Just follow the prompts, and Zapier will guide you through specifying what you need, like which projects to associate with the tasks or any other specifics related to the action. After defining the actions, Zapier will often give you a chance to test your Zap. I highly recommend that you do this step to make sure everything is working as it should. If the test is successful, congratulations, you're almost done. The last thing you want to do is turn on your Zap. You'll find the option to do this at the top right corner of your screen. Just toggle it on, and you've officially set up the integration between Asana and Zapier. Now, every time you complete whatever trigger you set up, an action will automatically occur in Asana, helping you keep your workflow running smoothly. And that's it. You've now integrated Asana with Zapier, which can be a real game changer for your productivity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. Happy automating!